yeah, hello everyone. We are back for another stream, but today I'll be taking a backseat, and I want to welcome three guests today, and they're all dialing in from Rwanda. So, hello, Joel, Kagaba, and Hirwa. I hope I'm not butchering your names. Oh, sorry. Let me mute myself on one. Okay. And yeah, so before we go to introductions, I just want to do like a quick teaser on what we are building today. And yeah, so what we are going to do is we are going to figure out how we can give access to large language models to Rwandans. So, and we want to do that with kind of like two constraints in mind. The first, it should work with like very basic phones. And the second is no mobile internet should be required to talk to the AI. So how are we gonna do that especially without the internet? What we've been thinking so far is we are trying to achieve this by creating a kind of like SMS to AI gateway. So anyone can basically just text a number, and hopefully we can do that with a local number, that they can text a local number and they basically can get a response back from the AI. Yeah. So today we are actually going to split this into two parts. So first, we actually spent some time discussing the problem and kind of like try to get a good understanding on that before we go, and then we will like go to like a drawing board and design a solution. And only after that, we will then start vibe coding. And it's actually Joel who is going to do all the coding today. So I hope
That's new.
I
Great.
hope I
Yeah.
hope I hope your internet holds up. And also today we are going to try to use cursor. I'm not sure. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, sure. I have cursor on my end. I'm sure I might manually enter the prompt, but I'm sure like the other experienced folks we have on the call are very much
Yeah.
able to help
Yeah.
us along as well. Hirwa and Kagaba, I mean. And of course, Long didn't say it out loud. Long was actually an engineer at this where we both work together. So he's
Yeah.
very much capable of jumping in as well. Uh, yeah, we
Oh
might
yeah.
tap on that.
Yeah. But I think
So
it will be some interesting parts, especially like, I mean, we can discuss it later. Just yeah, like some
yeah.
quick, since you mentioned it, just some quick introductions. And yeah, just a quick round. So my name is Long. I'm based in Singapore. I'm the only one not based in Rwanda. I'm a software engineer by training, and I just started exploring like building stuff with AI. So I just thought it would be interesting to do this live, so everyone can see like how good or even like how bad some of the AI tools are today. And I mean, in the end, I'm just really doing this for fun. Yeah. So yeah, Joel, do you want to go next?
Sure, I'll go ahead next. My name is Joel or Joel. So I'm based in Rwanda, originally from Singapore. By training, I'm a software engineer. Over here in Rwanda, I'm doing a mix of things. Some attempts at agricultural exports, in particular avocados. Some helping out with the informatics Olympiad team, which I think Kagaba and Hirwa will tell you more about, and also exploring tooling, AI tooling and software. Yeah, I'll pass it on to perhaps Kagaba. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Joel. And hi, everyone. My name is Kagaba Etienne. I'm also based in Rwanda. I'm a student at the African Leadership University pursuing bachelor's in software engineering. And I'm also a coach at the Rwanda Informatics Olympiad, which started last year in 2024. And now we're preparing our students to attend the IOI 2025 in Bolivia.
Nice.
Yeah, awesome. I'm happy to be here with you. I think I'll pass it next to Arnold.
Nice. Hi everyone. My name is Hirwa. and I'm also a coach in Rwanda Informatics Olympiad, and I'm also running a startup, a medtech startup, which is called
Oh,
Macrozera. Yeah, so we are doing amazing things like grading handwritten papers, and yeah, I hope we get enough time to chat if we finish early. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.
okay, cool. Just checking. We don't see any. We don't hear any echoes, right? It's now all good.
No, I think it's all perfect now.
Okay, okay. So
No, it was
let's. Okay, thanks everyone for the quick introductions. I just want to go through some like quick disclaimers as well. So first, I mean, the whole thing, it's not paid or sponsored or anything. So we're just really doing this for fun. Second, at no point we are claiming to be experts. So if you actually see there's something off, or if you have any tips for us, just please just leave us a comment. So we are all just learning here. And yeah, to make things interesting as well, we actually set ourselves one rule. So no prompts has actually been tested beforehand. So we'll be cooking things completely live. So it also means whatever you see, nothing is cherry picked. It also means we most likely are going to run into some problems. And I guess we just have to see how we handle them live. And I also don't know how long this stream is gonna go, but I think let's see if we can finish today. But if not, we might do another stream another time to finish it. Yeah, cool. So that's our rules and disclaimer. And yeah, to get started, one thing I would want to do is we just want to like dive a bit deeper into the problem. Um, Especially for me, I'm not there. I've never been to Rwanda, uh, and I've been actually quite surprised because there are quite some things where I feel like Rwanda is like very modern, actually. So people seem to generally have smartphones, and there's a good coverage in terms of mobile internet as well. I think I read somewhere like 80% of all of Rwandans have access to mobile broadband, but only 20% of the population is actually using it. So I just wonder why, like, is it too expensive? Like people do not like I don't know. Is it more like a digital literacy thing, or yeah, just something I want to understand a bit better.
Well, I'm the foreigner here, so I think I have some guesses, but maybe I'll let the Rwandans go first, because I'm sure they know they understand it much better. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I would fall more into like the digital literacy thing, like since the majority of those people who don't use or fully use the internet are those who don't understand how to use it.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's the gap might be like a lot of literacy thing.
Yeah, a lot of literacy thing.
So I guess it's probably, is it more like the rural areas, or in the cities people are generally okay, or is it how is it?
I think it's not like generally it's in the rural areas, but also in like urban areas, we find older people find it harder to access like those internet services, also the knowledge to use them. So
Okay.
it's kind of like older people in the urban areas and also like most people in rural areas.
Mm. But then in terms of like I mean, would it be easier if people use text messages? I mean, will people be a bit more familiar with it because it has been like around for a long time?
I think it some people might use it depending on like the language. If it's in Kinyarwanda, then
Oh,
the
okay.
majority of people might use it. But again, if the people who use like LLMs, it would be most of them would use them in English. So
Okay. Okay.
um,
I guess French as
yeah,
well would work.
Yeah,
Probably
French as well.
less, I think. Yeah, go ahead.
For it's like I'm coming in the perspective that all the people in Rwanda used to like they learned all their high schools in French, so they might be able to communicate in French better than in English.
Okay.
Some of them.
Let's see. I think Joel and I have been like discussing before, and I'm not sure if we can do it in this stream, that we could actually use models which are trained on is it Kinyarwanda?
Yeah, Kenya, Rwanda.
Yeah, the local language. And I'm not sure, Joel, do you think it's something we can try today?
So just for broad added context, the model I was mentioning is known as Invaza, which I believe means to ask. It's a model developed by GIZ, the German industrial, well, GIZ, the German,
Oh,
a German foundation here. Yeah, so it's available on Hugging Face, I suppose. And I think actually also Hirwa and Kagaba may have some models of their own. I'm not sure. Yeah. So I understand. I think there's a math model being trained somewhere. I don't know. Hirwa, maybe you could tell us more.
I think Pindo, they also, I think they have also trained some models in Rwanda, but I'm not sure if they are open source. But if you can try to reach out to them, I think you can find something from them. Yeah. And maybe coming up to the problem, I think you talked about if people would use the SMS instead of more LLMs on the internet. I think people in the rural areas, I mean in the villages, people don't have a lot of money to buy internet every time they need it. So I would think at some point, if they feel like they want to chat with AI, it would be very easier to just send a text messages anywhere.
yeah.
Unless they are in areas where there is Wi-Fi, and I think those areas are very few, especially in villages. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Probably
I think
model-wise. Go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean the cool thing about
No,
SMS is just like you don't really need anything. Yeah. But
makes sense. Yeah, so in terms of model access, I think we were mentioning earlier, we can actually test it's available. Like I know because I've tested it, but I don't know about the quality of output because my Rwanda is not great. But what we can do potentially is do some tests just to see right now. What I can do is maybe we can share screen and then maybe we can see if what we have so far is up to mark because for certain translators like even Google Translate, if you translate certain words like to shower, as we learned recently, doesn't give the best of translations. Yeah. Anyway.
Okay, let me.
So
I
this
think
is
you want to share. Okay.
So I'm currently sharing my browser screen. I'm not sure if everyone can see.
Yeah.
So this is their fine-tuned model for English to Kinyarwanda.
Okay.
I believe. So we can probably try a few sample sentences. Well, actually, should we continue discussing the problem first before I guess.
Yeah, maybe,
going
but
in,
also, so if I understand this right, this is a translation model. So it's not like a.
Yeah.
So it's not like you
It
ask
doesn't. No,
a
so
question.
the way the way I was thinking it could be done one way, I don't know what the quality of output would be, is you go from Kinyarwanda to English, ask the question, and go back from English to Kinyarwanda. If that makes sense.
So you have one model which translates, and you put it into I don't know, OpenAI or something, and then the output gets translated again.
Yeah, so I think 3 API calls. It would be ideal if there's a faster way to do it, but I'm not sure that there is.
But let's draft it out. Maybe can you open maybe an Excali draw or like something?
Sounds
me
good.
also, I think even at even at Pindo, they don't have a generative AI which is trained on Rwanda. I think it's for translating.
Makes sense. Yeah. So Pindo is a local SMS. Or they don't just do SMS. Maybe I'm underwriting what they do, but they provide an SMS API which we might use later. I think they if I'm not wrong, they might have contributed to this model as well that we're using right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's it.
can you
Wait, is it like a really big tech company there?
Is it a big tech company? What do y'all think? Kagaba?
Is it based in Rwanda or is it like somewhere else?
The founders are Rwandan. It's based in
Oh.
Rwanda, I believe. Okay, one of the founders is Rwandan. Yeah.
Oh.
Some of the founders are Rwandan. I don't know. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Some legal broad.
Okay.
But I think it's not that big. Like this is like a startup, but they haven't yet reached their goal of creating language models that speak African languages. I think they're not only emphasizing on Rwanda, they are trying with Uganda, Swahili. Yeah,
Okay.
but so far, what is being hard is to just do the transformer model. I think for generative AI, I think they are helping in translation, text to speech.
This is hang on. This
I
is
guess that's
Pindo.
their dashboard.
Yep, and this is the site. I guess it's yeah, it's pretty cool.
Oh, we do
what the
voice
founders are
as
doing.
well.
Yeah, I think that's a more recent thing.
Oh.
Not sure if we can get access. Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, but the team is pretty cool. The founders are pretty cool. Yeah.
Wow.
Team is pretty cool. Yeah.
Ah, not bad. Yeah. Okay, so let's try to like draw it out what we maybe want to try to do.
Maybe we can all hop on. I've
Yeah.
sent a link, I think. Yeah. Jubilant opossum.
Okay, wait, let me find the. Oh, okay, I found it here. Okay, so I guess we have a SMS part to receive and send.
Yep. I'm a little unclear. Maybe if anyone has ideas, can help me out on how the receive part will work. I don't know if that requires yeah.
Okay, but let's just assume we have like one black box would be just for sending and receiving SMS.
Mm-hmm. Sending and receiving. Where are we? Hang on. Oops.
And
okay, two black boxes.
And I guess
Yeah,
there's another. I guess we just have another black box which does the answer the question.
Okay. And by the way, guys, feel free to jump in and write
Yeah.
the boxes. If you like. Yeah. Answer a question.
Oh.
Then.
Oh, we got. Oh, I just missed there. Actually,
got-
someone gave a shout out.
Oh, nice.
I'm not sure if it's maybe one of your friends.
Perhaps. Is it perhaps one of? No idea. Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, thanks for the shout out. It it shows that we're actually live.
Good to know.
So, yeah, actually, for the answer question, because you said like we do like the translation thing and stuff like that. Maybe to just keep it like stupid simple in the beginning. Maybe
Yeah.
we just figure out the receiving the SMS. We just put it directly into, I don't know, OpenAI or oh, we
Yep.
got another shout out from Cosmic Ram. Interestingly, all
Hey.
from YouTube actually, not from LinkedIn.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. So, and then I guess when it answers the question, it will just send the response. This is actually really simple, and I guess we can do like a simple version first, which it just goes straight to OpenAI. So I guess people
Okay.
might have to people might have to text in English or in French. And once we have it, we can figure out later if we want to do the translation part.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Any requirements? I think one requirement is like it should be a local number, right? Because like no one is gonna pay international fees
Yeah, for
just
sure.
to ask.
No,
Yeah.
I don't think it would be allowed in any case. Like they probably tell you something like your airtime is below minimum balance. Where airtime is
Yeah.
yeah.
Shouldn't it also
Go ahead.
be a USSD? Like an unpaid
Yeah.
number, like star 182 star something. Yeah, something.
It's a good shot. So for I guess for more context for long, actually, yeah, I think long might be.
Is it a
Have you seen
star
a US?
fee? I think I know.
Yeah.
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 I mean, do we want? I mean, an SMS
I think
is also just fine, right?
I think SMS is fine. Like,
Yeah, I
it
think
would be hard
let's say
to.
the USSD is the next step,
Mm.
because I don't know like if they have the APIs for that.
It would also be hard to
I
follow
was
up like a
thinking,
conversation through SSD. Like,
Oh, that's
suppose
actually
AI gives you a response and then you want to reply, so
oh
you
yeah, I
have to
haven't
type
thought
the
of
codes
if it's a
again.
conversation. Yeah.
Makes sense. Yeah. So let's move this to maybe next potential considerations.
but the reason why I was thinking of USSD is because they are free, but I think texting local number cost 10 Rwandan francs per SMS, if I remember well. Unless you have a pack. But maybe if we just do a good infrastructure for comments, I mean for replying, I mean the backend which is responsible for replying to a message through USSD, if it is cost effective. Yeah, I think that's what we can do if we are able to. But of course, we can start with just number, and then afterwards see if we can do some improvements.
Yeah. But it's a good call that I mean we should maybe be able to continue a conversation. So I don't think it's a hard requirement, but yeah, I think it'll be good if you can follow up on a conversation, because it also means our backend needs to know like a concept of threads, right? We need to know like, oh, these messages belong to each other. Yeah. Like we might actually have to save it, you know?
Yep.
Yeah. But
perhaps
again,
in
I
a
mean,
database.
Yeah. Oh
Okay,
wow, okay. This is getting when I thought about it, I thought it's gonna be very easy. Another thing is also, I think because it's SMS, we should prevent the LLM to give like really long answers. Like we don't want to consume like, I don't know, like 50 50 messages because it tries to send you like an essay back.
Yeah, perhaps we could have a max token limit because I think SMSs are like 160 tokens
Yeah.
long. If yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's fine if it's maybe 2, like, because sometimes I think it'll be hard to fit an answer into 1. But yeah, I think we should cap it somehow.
Mm.
Ooh, the threads thing. I'd say version 1, it just does a reply first. And then version 2,
Okay.
we can think of threads. And then version 3 is actually using the Kenya Rwandan.
Right.
True.
The translation thing is a bit awkward. Like ideally there is a model which can just reply in, like, which can understand and reply in Kenya Rwandan.
I mean, if we have sufficient time, I guess we could theoretically fine-tune something on our own, because the corpus that they have over there is publicly available, right? Yeah, but that would probably be another stream in and of itself.
Yeah, I think it'll be an interesting stream though. I wouldn't know how to do it actually. Like,
I have a rough idea, yes. Using unstuff or similar.
okay. Let's see. Is there anywhere we can make it even more stupid? for version 0, version 0. Send SMS. It will only reply. It will not know the previous messages. I guess that's probably already the simplest.
Yep.
Okay. Any other?
Yeah.
Oh, Cosmic Ram sent something.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not sure if you saw that message.
Ooh,
The person
this is
said,
really
try smart prompt templates via SMS. Let users send short keywords like farm help or health tip, and the system expanded to a full AI prompt in the background. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Interesting.
it's pretty cool. Yeah.
But then
Let me
they need to know
ahead.
what it is first, right? So maybe,
Yeah.
let's say as a flow, let's say if you ask any questions, it can reply with an answer first. And then it can also reply and say, hey, by the way, try out farm help or try out health tip.
So I'm having some issues. Hang on.
Version 4. Version 4.
Oh, it's like that. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Hello.
But I guess I think that would be a good idea if we were, for example, to use an API from OpenAI. I think there is, or maybe somewhere you can prompt it to first of all search or to reason. So if there is some sort of commands they can use, and that could be like our sign to tell the model that maybe first of all do a search, deep search before responding.
Wait, hold on. The smart.
I think that would be cool and doable.
Wait, is smart prompt templates actually a thing?
Oh.
LangChain prompt templates. Interesting. Templates. I'm trying to read about it.
I'm actually curious. It's slightly off tangent. Curious to Rwanda apparently has a agricultural large language model. I'm curious to what the flow for that looks like actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, let me see if I can find it.
So it's trained on Kenya Rwandan.
Not sure. Yeah, let me check.
So specifically like fine-tuned on agricultural questions, or can it does, or is it like more like it can tell you like weather forecasts and stuff like that?
Okay, to clarify, there was a grant given for it. I'm not sure if it's complete. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, one random thing I haven't told you, Joel, as well. Like I hurt myself. I injured myself. I'm like on a.
Ouch.
I don't know if you see it.
Yeah.
I'm like.
Oh, ouch. Sorry to hear that. What happened?
I just went. I mean, I just went hiking. I went hiking and I twisted my. I twisted my ankle, which is really lame because I mean Singapore is relatively flat, right? Not like not like the land of thousand mountains. Very flat, but like yeah, I twisted my ankle and apparently it's a fracture.
Oh, sorry to hear that. But it does happen, yeah. So even that ends. We have another comment, I guess. Is this some kind of scam training? I don't know. Yeah.
It's funny, it's all from YouTube, actually.
Yeah.
But
I guess your subscribers long, maybe?
no, I have like very little subscribers.
So it looks like there's a UR student who built a project for an LLM. And I think the other one is
Oh wow, this is nice. Thanks, Cosmic Ram. It's like no, it's not a scam training. They are working on a project which is genuinely interesting. Thank you. Thank you for defending us.
So I think this is the one done by a student in one of the universities. I think it does Swahili. It sounds like.
Oh, okay.
I can't find the one that they gave a grant for, but it's somewhere.
Wow. That's pretty cool project. It's like an undergrad?
I think so. I just look.
Wow. It's fine. I mean, you don't need to stalk this person. Just
No. I mean, I'm not looking for the person. I'm looking for the grant. But anyway.
Okay. So in terms of like anything else we should think about before we start working on it?
Even for those future versions?
For model 0 or next models?
Excuse me?
You mean things you should think about for future versions or like this basic version?
I think in general, all kinds of, because like when we build the basic version, we should also make sure that we don't make things hard for future versions.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah. I was thinking like for this like thing Cosmic mentioned about short prompts template, I mean smart prompt templates, we could use some kind of keywords instead of like after every message giving the user like a list of like prompt templates. We could have like a keyword similar, like you know how in Linux terminals you type like a command and then you add help and then they give you a list of commands. So we could implement a similar kind of thing where a user has like a keyword
slash,
they need to scan.
Like if they send /help, then it will give you, and we just tell them, hey, by the way, you can use /help to see what is possible.
Yeah, true. Kind of like that. So, and then instead of giving them like a full template content, we could say type this and then you get more information, or like this prompt will help you do this instead of like giving them the whole prompt details. Yeah.
Actually, the USSD service, is that free? Like, do you pay for it? I actually don't know how it works.
I think
Like,
for you to accept like USSD connections, you have to. There's this company called, I don't remember its name, but you have to pay a huge amount of money to set up that service up and working. Yeah.
Okay.
For the users, it's free, but for you who is running it, it's very costly.
Okay. Then maybe we have to build version 1 and version 2 first, and then maybe there's some grant which can which can help to do this, to bring this to version 4. Yeah. So I guess, I mean, it seems like, I mean, the basic version probably just have 2 components, like the SMS part and the LLM part. So I would probably like encapsulate it that you just have one service for just the SMS stuff. And we build it first.
Yep.
And once we can like receive and send the SMS, then we connect it with the AI. And we keep it separately, that later when we like switch out the AI stuff, we don't need to worry about breaking any of the SMS stuff. So
Okay.
yeah.
Makes sense. Yeah.
So to bring you back to future versions, are we able to send images in SMS?
Whoa.
Like,
I mean, if you want to go crazy, you can do like voice, right? You can just call a number and talk. But I think it's very expensive.
Even images?
Yeah, actually, images might be quite expensive as well. Yeah, voice would be cool, but yeah, again, it might be a bit expensive. And yeah.
Or model 5, version 5.
Ooh.
Okay. Should we start with the
cool.
SMS stuff?
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. How do you normally like approach it when you like build something? Let's say with cursor.
Is that a question for?
Oh, just in general, yeah. For like.
I haven't used cursor a lot.
Previous code.
Yeah, I honestly just got on the free plan. I think there's some off the free plan, right? There's some folks who would scaffold out the requirements first and then use that as a leading point.
That's what I normally do. Like I just use like Claude or like any LLM, and I just tell them, oh, can you write me a prd.txt? And then you describe what you want to build. And I ask him, oh, can you ask for follow-up and clarification questions if you need? And then it will like generate the prd.txt. And then I was just put it into Cursor and then tell Cursor to, oh, I have this product requirements doc. Can you just build it for me?
Makes sense. Yeah. This makes sense. Sorry, let me just sign in to Cursor.
Okay.
Yeah, so we could do that, I guess, or similar. So what do you want in our? Go ahead, yeah.
I mean, up to you. Whatever workflow works for you.
So it's a bit tricky, I think, for in this scenario, because I think some of the APIs involved are not as straightforward for the SMS ones at least. Like for instance, some of the telco providers here have APIs, but yeah, they don't. The documentation seems not to be up to date. Like
Okay.
for Pindo, they have a document. So the concern here is that Anthropic or Cursor or whatever LLM might not be aware of the proper way to invoke
But
the API. If that makes sense. Go ahead. Mhm.
you
Yeah,
can
go ahead.
actually on Cursor you can actually add document links. So maybe we can just use what's it called, Pingdoor?
Tindo. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe we search for the docs first.
Oh, I've done that already. But well,
Okay.
I know there was no preparation allowed, but this was just something
I mean,
done in
no,
the
no,
past.
no,
Yeah.
no prompts. I mean, no, we
Yeah.
shouldn't like try any prompts beforehand. That's it.
So for Pindo itself, I'm not sure why it's this way, but you can play around with so this is a dashboard. There are a bunch of messages that we can send over here.
Oh,
Like this is manually testing. In terms of the API, I had to refer to their CLI. I
oh,
don't know why there is no docs page yet, but this is what the curl request looks like, to my
okay.
understanding. Yeah.
Oh, but this might be good enough for the AI to get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's just a post request, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Perhaps there is an
Interesting.
SDK. I just haven't found it yet.
Mm, interesting. I think this should be good enough. Wait, but is there any, can you see if there's any receiving?
That's the issue. I do not
Oh no.
see receive. Oh well, I guess
Inbound
this might be it.
SMS. Oh, cool. Okay, good. Whew. For a moment, I thought like, oh, the stream ends now. We can't receive text messages.
I
Wait,
think it
how
would.
does it work? It's a webhook. Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, I just
Interesting.
hope it's not one of those things where you have to request for access though. It's not uncommon. For yeah, I
Hmm.
hope it's publicly available.
Okay.
Yeah, this part I've
Interesting.
never tried, so I'm not too sure how to configure. We might need to figure that out
Okay.
together.
Hmm. Let's have a look now. I mean, how do we get that webhook in the Pindo's
So,
dashboard?
oops, I'm showing my email, but I think that's fine. Yeah, my burner email. Anyway,
Okay.
yeah, looks like there's a webhook URL here.
Oh, okay.
Uh, so I can think of a few ways to produce. Well, let's first confirm that this is indeed the SMS URL. What
Yeah,
is the DLR? Yeah, delivery.
not sure. No, this
Not
is manage your
sure.
deliver report. I think it's different.
Oh, okay,
Check
yeah.
for,
It looks like
I mean, to be fair, like
so.
I wouldn't put the webhook option inside the org details. Like there must
True.
be a
Yeah.
number as well, right? You probably have to create a number or something.
Oh.
Ooh.
Uh. I think that's yeah.
So people are gonna have your email and your credit card number.
Credit card number. It's unfortunate. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
if
I
you
can
need,
just yeah. Inbound SMS. I will just I guess share the tab for a while first.
okay.
Um. Yeah. It's 10 USD. I guess. Is there any other way? Let me take a look briefly.
I mean, it's okay. I mean,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let me take a look.
yeah. I mean, there's a good chance we have to sign up for Cursor as well.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
another.
I managed to have a cursor, so I think that's fine. Let me just buy this inbound number. I see though. This is like 1 day of runway. Well, actually, it's giving a 503, so maybe I can't buy it.
Is there a specific reason we chose Pindo for the SMS thing?
No, I think any provider would do.
Okay.
Are you all familiar with any other ones?
Yeah, there's this one called Tweedio. I don't know if you heard of it.
Oh, but does Twilio have a local number?
You can set up like a test number.
Yeah. Yeah, I've used Twilio quite a bit in a previous role where I worked with Long. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, the price for per SMS will be, I think, a bit higher, but otherwise it should work that much. I recall. Yeah, we can use Twilio. That's a good suggestion. Perhaps we should do that.
Okay.
What do you think?
I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah. I mean, at the previous role I was at, we had a few Twilio-related integrations, which I think I had set up. So I think it should work because at point of testing, I was in Rwanda for some of them.
Well,
Let's
this
find out.
one does not look like a burner email.
Oh, oops. Well, yeah. Perhaps, yeah. Well, I guess it's too late. What else can I share in the meantime? I guess folks can look at the Excalibur draw. It's kind of nice.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Yeah. I think on YouTube I can censor parts afterwards, but I'm not sure about LinkedIn.
It's fine. I mean, I don't think the LinkedIn crowd will bother with my email address.
Okay.
I can't remember my password, unfortunately, so let me reset. So it's not sending. Oh, if anyone else has it set up faster than me, please feel free to go ahead and let me know. But for now, I'm just waiting for my reset.
Let me see. I should have, but let me check my Bitwarden.
I'm not getting the email for some reason. Perhaps it's under a different account. Let me see.
Oh, let's see if I can.
Well, there were a bunch of other ones with oh, nice. I think I'm logged in. Let me see.
Oh, okay.
I just don't remember if I have a number here. Oh no, my account is suspended.
Suspended? What did you do?
Nothing. I think it just doesn't have enough funds. Yeah.
Okay. I try to log in into mine.
Oh, this isn't the account which has all the cash in.
I tried logging into my Twitter account, but it seems like you can't buy a local phone number, like Rwandan
Oh,
phone number.
yeah. You
Searching
probably can
Rwanda
only
it
send.
doesn't.
Yeah.
Searching Rwanda doesn't
think
return
it's.
any numbers.
Yeah, makes sense. I think it's probably a sending. Like you can send to
Okay, I
non.
think I. Don't.
But can a Rwandan text it, even if it is not a Rwandan phone number?
Yeah, that's
I'm asking to Kagaba.
I
Here
believe yes.
So if then maybe we can just use it, unless there is a problem to see a message which is not from a Rwandan phone number.
Oh,
No.
I think
It's
Rwandans
just-
can send to like an international number, but the costs will be
yeah, it would be expensive,
relatively
right?
high.
It might be like more than the US per message.
Yeah,
Oh, now I see.
a bit
So
tricky.
I can log into mine. Let's see. Okay, can you see my window?
Your window, yeah, I can. But there should be no Rwanda numbers, I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, no results found. Wait.
And also text the Kindle folks, see if they could.
Should I try to register for Pindo instead?
You could, yeah, you could
Yeah.
try, but I mean, it's same issue, I think, right? Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Is it pindo.com?
Pindo.io.
IO.
I wonder if the CLI has any indication as to how.
Register. Okay, I'm registering. Let me share my screen again.
Go for it. Yeah, I'll stop sharing.
You can just keep it on.
Oh, okay, sure.
Here. So where do I go? My account?
I think you're going for
Phone
account.
numbers. Least new number.
Least new number.
Okay.
You probably want to stop sharing, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, you can also continue sharing, no problem.
Okay. I hope there's no like oh, I got the same.
503, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
I suspect it's one of those
It's
allow
like-
listed things.
But it's like, what do you mean allow listed?
Like they have to manually allow you on their
Oh,
buy
really?
number. I may have the number of CTO. Yeah, I could potentially call it, I guess. Yeah, I think
Oh, I
some number
can't
of
even.
processes. Can I drop them a call? I guess that would be
Yeah, I
another way
guess.
to.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it seems a bit. Should I make the call live? Let me go. Let me mute and call, I guess.
Yeah.
Let me try this again. That's kind of interesting. I mean, does the company not want our money? Like it seemed like a very important. It seemed like a very important step in the.
In the process
Yeah,
for acquiring a new number. So you've added credits on your account, right?
I'm
Window account.
trying right now. So it fails when I put in like my credit card, and then but it fails when I try to activate.
I see. I see.
Oh, okay. Let me try this way. Let's try to just add money first.
What? How? Oh, like add credit and then buy the number after.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I was able to pay. I was able to pay.
Okay, nice.
Nice.
But it says, okay, hold on. And it
I
succeeded.
couldn't
So
reach.
I have $15 in my account now. Okay. I don't get it. So why I have
You can't buy.
okay, I show you. I don't get like so
Texting the. Yeah. Go ahead.
I like you see here I just topped up $15,
Yeah.
but it's still asking me for
Maybe text
maybe
them. Yeah.
maybe there's
Yeah.
another way to how do I add the
Is the activate inbound number clickable?
where?
Like on the list a new number page? Like where they were requesting your credit card
Oh,
info?
like this one you mean?
Click on list
Yeah,
new
but then
number.
it will ask for credit card again.
Mm.
Can you
Okay,
do
let me try.
activating
Let
and
me
see
just
if
try. But there's a good
Oh,
chance, yeah, you have to get. So maybe when I topped up the account, maybe what happened is that I can use that money to send SMS, but maybe not.
to buy a new
Yeah,
number.
I can still not buy. Interesting.
Yeah, I just texted one of the engineers. I can't reach the CTO.
Wait, the CTO's number is like, how did you find that?
No, I think, well, like in Rwanda, a lot of things operate by just calling people, in my
Okay.
experience. Yeah.
I guess while we wait, we can just build the AI part first.
I guess, yeah.
Wait, Pindo. Oh, you shared the screen.
Oh, yeah. So I guess do we continue and do the AI portion first, or?
Yeah, I guess let's do that.
I don't know. What are you thinking there in terms of building this AI function?
So the receiving SMS will be a webhook, right?
Yep.
So let's say maybe we can just build the webhook, but it doesn't take in any real SMS text message.
Yep.
Yeah, so we just trigger the webhook and the webhook will pretend it's receiving an SMS. Then we can send it to the AI, and we can actually do the sending part maybe because I have some credits on my account now.
Yeah, the sending
So
is
maybe
no problem.
Yeah, so at least while we wait until we can get a number, we just pretend that part works.
Sure, sounds good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Must we use cursor? Because I do have a sketch in my brain which doesn't involve using cursor at all.
Okay,
But
sure.
rather, I was thinking of just using a smooth edge function and then
Okay, yeah,
using
sure.
the dashboard AI.
We can try.
I think that would be viable.
Yeah.
I don't
Actually, we
know if I
can
have
maybe still just do the SMS part first. But it just sends a fixed message instead of the AI, and then we can do the AI part later.
makes sense.
Mm.
So I'm gonna share this tab, and then I have a project which is used for other stuff. But
Okay.
I have this thing. Then again, this is a plug. I think they have an editor, Teams, and then AI chat. So then
Okay.
you can probably I could use some help with the prompt helping.
Actually, can you paste the post? So when you go back to the GitHub, the CLI GitHub thing you had open. So up there at the receiving part. Oh, this one as well. Yeah.
Oh.
This is an example. So just tell them,
Inbound,
it will
right?
receive. It will receive. You can tell it will receive something like this.
Yep.
Maybe just the first one.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So you can tell. You have a.
Each function which.
Yeah. And then
Yep.
I wonder, should we do a lot at once? Because it would say, and then send an SMS by calling this endpoint, the post endpoint, and just replying received or something like that. Just say received.
And reply with received if the mess is successful. Send.
So I need to. I guess I have to give you my API token, right?
I have one. I think I can use that too. No problem.
But I already topped up some money, so you can just use the
Sure.
money I just topped up.
Could use that
Okay,
to get a number in the future.
I just
Yeah, go
pasted
ahead.
in the private chat for later if you want to
Sure,
copy it.
sounds good.
Yeah. I mean, if it gets exposed, we can just roll the token, I guess.
So that's the thing. I don't know if there is a role, but anyway.
No, there is. I see it here on my page. I can
okay,
roll
okay.
the token.
Nice. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So I'll just run this prompt first, I guess.
Okay. Interesting. Oh.
Have you used this before? This is, I think, a new
yeah, it's
thing
new actually because the editor is new as well.
Yeah. Wow. Doing great work.
I guess we are plugging Superbase now.
Yeah, I guess, yeah, it's such a shill. Yeah.
But to be fair, it's actually easier because we probably deploy it as an edge function anyway.
Yeah. I guess, how do I, so I'm a bit confused. Do I have to copy it over? Does it not help me do that manually? I guess so, right? Don't know.
Oh, is it? I thought there is a, oh, okay.
So it's not an agent? Well, I guess this is the point where I stop sharing. And share another tab, copy the API key.
You could put it as a secret.
Oh yeah, that's true.
And then
yeah, I forgot.
the secret will you can get it scattered from the environment.
Yeah, dino.unfiltered, right? Sorry.
Yeah.
Forget for a moment.
Oh, okay. This stream is gonna be very little on vibe coding.
Yeah, a lot of super base shilling.
So just like I think like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I did like a pilot stream just to test it out. So it was like completely unannounced, and I used like Lovable, and it was completely zero code. Like no code was seen. Yeah.
Nice. Oh no, my previous. Sure. Okay, I need to do it again.
Okay.
I think this is the right syntax. Let me check.
You need to put the upper brackets, right? Oh yeah, okay.
Believe this is okay. This is
also when you send it, does it send it back to the same number provided? Where do you see sender text to? Oh yeah, payload from. So it will send it to the same number.
Yeah.
But the text, wait, what is the text? Payload text. So it will just send the same message back?
No, it needs to talk to the AI at this point, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we can just use it to test it first. I mean,
sure.
Maybe for text, just say instead of payload.text, maybe just say received.
Oh, you mean like?
Yeah. Okay, just as a test.
Okay, let's find out. And what I'm gonna do now is just query the endpoint.
Yeah.
Oh well.
It's okay. You don't see the whole thing.
Yeah. Well,
you can actually we can also turn off the GWT for now, and I don't know, but we can just roll the tokens after the stream. Maybe.
It's fine. There's nothing important in this project, but yeah, if this was in prod, I think we should roll the tokens.
So anyone who's watching live right now, please don't use the token.
Yeah. So what am I? What's the input again? This is I even forget what is that chat history?
Wait, what?
Oh, there is a chat history.
Oh wow!
I didn't know this. Pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm just shitting. this. Yeah. I'm just looking for the request payload. Yeah. I'm just going to put my own number. Is this? I wonder if this is the actual number of the someone. But anyway, oh no, it's not. Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
that's
So
a dummy
technically,
number.
you have
1,
to
2,
use
3,
a
4,
number
5, 6.
which. So you have a
What is
burner
the from
number.
number though? What is the
It's
from number? No.
from.
No. I mean, what is the from? What should go in the from number field? If you get what I mean.
Oh, so basically, it needs to be one of your numbers, so you can check
And that's
if you
fine.
receive it or not.
Oh, but then 2, like, oh, it just sends it back to me. Is that right?
Yeah, so it will just send like basically you send a message. No. Like when you call the endpoint, you should be receiving.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So
a
the
response
two
on
field
your. No, not.
uh
No, I think
the
not
two
the
field
two
is
field.
the
The
two
from
field is
field.
ignored for now, right? I
Yeah.
guess. Well, so I get an internal server error, and then let's see why.
Okay. Let me quickly. I just wanna let me.
Go ahead.
I just wanna check the live stream on LinkedIn because. Oh no, it is running. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay.
I think I'm missing a comma.
Oh no. How do I?
Oh no. Yeah.
Joel, can you share the link of the GitHub repo you're
1
reading the
second.
docs from?
Yeah. Let me.
And,
I think it's in private chat. Wait.
here.
Oh, so I failed to send SMS. I'm not sure why. Hang on.
Maybe print out the.
Error, right?
Yeah. Syntax. Oh.
No. The syntax is done. I think. Server started. Oh.
Wait, when you call, when you test the command, do you? Oh no, it should be okay.
Do I? Man, I really want to share, but I don't have a burner number. Hang on. Oh, this is also my Rwanda number, so maybe I can share it. Just give me a while. It doesn't tell me why. Else, something like this work. Does it show up in the logs? Let's deploy this, I guess. Oh, it's one of our very talented coaches on the stream. You should hold this. Oh. We have an error still.
Wait, what does the log say though? Response.
This is the payload, which seems as intended. This is the response.
Logged false. Here, something. Deploy ID.
Status 409 complete. What is 409 again?
409. Conflicts with the current state of a target resource. Don't know.
We tested along with just sending a direct call request with
okay.
the API.
I can try.
I'll text you my number. Which
Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, let me check. It says, oh, the arrow, huh? Interesting arrow.
the error? Yeah.
Oh. Wait, can I see your
What's
code
up?
again?
Well,
Oh no. Okay, no.
is the sender
Unknown.
accurate?
I
actually?
have unknown sender ID Pindo.
Yeah.
So
Yet.
it might be
I don't
the unknown sender ID.
Can you try Kindle test?
A sender? Oh yes,
yeah,
it
let
might
me-
be. Yeah. Oh, can you check? I just sent it. I just sent
actually,
it gave me like a total cost as a response. So
yeah, I got a response. So
Okay.
should it be Kindle test?
yes, the sender
got a
needs a Pindo
message.
test. Okay. I get what you mean. So I think I saw it
Yeah.
as well. I think in the org. Let me just share this for completeness here.
I'll just deploy again.
Oh, so it's probably because of this setting here. Hold on. Why is it not sharing?
Oh, it should not be hello from Kindle, right? Hang on. Yeah, so I got a received back.
Yeah, here. So we have to actually put a approved sender ID or it will reject it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I do have a message. You can see that from the invocations, I think. Yeah, we have 200. Yay.
Oh, so it worked?
Yeah, it worked.
Nice. Let me, how do I stop sharing? Let me put you back up. Okay, so I guess the sending part worked.
Mm-hmm.
I can also see 2 cents have been deducted from my account.
Ooh. What's an each? Yeah.
So what's next? I guess we can do the AI part.
Yeah, we can do the AI part and then
Yeah.
and then wait until we get the part back, I guess.
Yeah.
So I'm again just going to use the assistant.
Mm.
And you help me query open AI. Do you have a preference between providers? Because
Or
I might just
anything.
use I'll probably use Gemini just because it's free. Yeah, to ai.google.dev. Yeah. Get the Gemini API key. That opened a new tab, which I'm now going to set. I'm going to set a new secret called Gemini API key. Save that. Go back into the function and share my screen again. Would you help for Gemini for using the text sent in the request body? Subsequently, wait, where did the interface go? Oh, does it not get preserved? Use generated.
So when you
response.
copied it got removed?
I don't know. Just deploy later. Maybe it's something about the function, each functions that I don't understand. Well, or I just made a boo-boo there. These in the SMS. Oh wait, there should be a comma.
Replace with actual.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Fine. I'm just not sure if the response text is accurate, but let's figure it out. So this is the request payload. And then we're saying this, right? And this API should be replaced with what's over here, which is this is the Google Gemini Flash URL. So I'm going to
what?
share.
The key is giving just for the URL?
Yeah, I'm surprised. I don't know if the body is correct.
That's what what is it? 2-3 trillion company
I don't know.
releases.
Is the body correct though? I don't think so, right? Is there no SDK?
Wait, what? It's you copied it.
I copied it. Yeah. I wonder if I should just use the SDK. Why is this recommended to you? I don't know.
Oh, the chat. Yeah, that's just YouTube algorithm.
Yeah.
Well, still thanks for dialing in. I'm not sure if you're still around though. Oops.
So you see, this is another route. I think if you could tell them, it would be nice. Did you just notice? Like, it just wrote back.
What?
Did you notice? No, like the changes just undid itself.
I didn't. I was looking at the chat just now.
Oh, like if you see now, right? Press Control Z. Then like the editor. Yeah. I would report it, but I don't know who to report it to. Yeah.
I guess
Maybe
Lakshan.
Yeah. Like how? Like supporting it. It's accurate. Hang on. I don't even know anymore. Hang on. what payloads? Sure, I guess. I guess you probably need to handle the case where there's no text, right? I guess.
Mm.
Or I guess.
Oh, I think there's a typo with return. Oh. Well, technically, it needs to send this as an SMS. Technically. But yeah, later.
And how does it? Then this is wrong, I think. It should be what? .m. Something like this, right? I guess.
Mm.
Is this even?
Sure.
All right. Wait, what just went on? Wait, did you see what just happened, Long? It just wrote back. It's fine. Like the SMS sending is gone.
That's weird.
Maybe I deleted it accidentally.
I'm not sure.
I'm so confused.
May you increase the editor screen? Yeah, do it. Yeah.
I think you might have replaced it with that Gemini API call.
Makes sense. Start over, I guess.
Oh no.
Okay. And then what? Gemini response. Guess to body.
I'm not sure. The response might be a JSON, right?
Yeah. What does the JSON look like?
Response.text.
The text?
I think so.
Oh no, did it again. You see that?
I think every time when I look away, it happens.
Oh dear. Yeah, you should keep looking then. What does the response body look like?
I think it's in the response to text. Yeah.
I think maybe every time you would change the tab. I don't know.
No. Something else. Response.text.
Maybe, yeah. Maybe, I don't know, like just copy the code and do a hard refresh.
I think it's fine. I mean, well, like, you mean just for testing?
No, I mean like in case maybe it will stop doing that.
No, so like I think that reset the. I think I'll just follow that with whoever, and probably tweet and tag you on Twitter. It's like that's the fastest way to.
Yeah.
Anyway,
but maybe
maybe not. Yeah.
just output the response as well, just if we see it.
Like this, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, are we good? Anything else?
Okay. That's right.
Oh, is this a college project? I think it's more of a personal project, but we have some very talented college students on the stream. Kagaba is actually still in school. If you have internship openings, you're welcome to reach out to him.
Yeah.
But yeah, yeah.
Yeah. It's more of a fun project. But it could help. I mean, yeah, let's see. I do want to see it like being used, but then the question is also how the distribution would also like how would you tell people that something like this exists?
I'm sure you
Media,
can
maybe
convince the
through
yeah.
radios.
The government is generally quite supportive. I'm sure if you
Yeah.
reached out to the ministry, it would take some time though. What's going on?
Yeah.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
But thanks for like I mean it seems like Cosmic Ram is still watching. So thanks for watching.
Oh no, wait, that was my key. It's fine, I'll read it later.
The dog is crying because you exposed your key.
You got a new dog?
No, it's my neighbors, not mine.
Oh, okay. It's yeah, so it looks like it was. Oh wait. Why is it giving me? Oh, do I need to call response.json? Is that it?
Oh yeah, could be, yeah. But then okay, let's see. Maybe response or text will not work, but let's see. Is it still raining there?
I think it's just stopped. It's rainy season.
Oh. Promise pending.
Probably doing something really stupid. Any suggestions, Long?
Wait, well, which log is it? Is it so it's the Gemini response?
Yeah, Gemini response.
Maybe you have to await.
Cool. Isn't it awaited already though? I don't know.
I think because it's like a stream, it's like a byte stream itself. So I think you need to it's it's like a promise by itself.
But was the code asynchronous?
Wait, this was the last one, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
No,
yeah. Error. Yeah, I mean, at least we see something.
Invalid authentication credentials. Okay, so I guess it's fine, even if you did see the API key.
But I think maybe we use the let me send. Maybe use the SDK.
Yeah, that would be more ideal.
Here I send it on there's a link here. One of the times when I was not looking at your screen, I was looking for this.
Use Gemini SDK instead.
Just maybe save the code first.
I'll do that. Yeah.
There's no. I've actually never used that Superbase AI assistant for Edge functions. I only use it for for SQL queries.
One thing that bugs me now is because now I have to copy this, right? I can no longer copy this over. I need to paste it somewhere. If you get what I mean.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm not. Yeah. Yeah, I think good time. Seems like more of a front end thing though. Maybe maybe a Alistair thing, or someone, or Joshan might be able to fix it.
I'm not sure who, but it was released at the last launch week, I think. Was it last launch week? Or even no, this
which is
the one
understandable.
before.
This one. I think this launch week.
Mm.
So it's understandable that it's still work in progress.
API key.
Are you not using
You don't
SDK
need to wrap it around the $ thing.
Oh yeah, sorry. Go ahead. Sorry, someone was saying something. Yeah.
I was asking, are you replacing the other API call with the new SDK?
Yeah, with the SDK. That's right. Yeah.
Wait, how come? Oh yeah, okay, no, that's right.
I think it's fine. There's still the SMS payload, I think. I hope. Let's just console log the response tags.
Mm.
And I also think I need to replace the API. Wait, did I replace the API key already?
Oh, the import path. I think you have to. The import. Where's the import for the library?
Wait, how do I check? Do you know the syntax for this?
Not sure. Just try Google / Oh no, actually no. Can you just ask the assistant?
How do I import Google / AI? Yeah, no, I can use it.
I think there's.
But why does it seem like the code is using the old direct API call?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely complaining about this one. But yeah. Oh.
No, it doesn't look right.
I think I'm just going to consult the docs. Yeah. Is it like this?
I saw on the other link, Long Hong shared. I saw some imports, maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So something like this.
Go ahead. You can feel free to paste on chat. No. Wait, what? Can't see what the error is though.
Oh, okay. You are looking for necessary imports so that you use Gemini, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
So on the other link, I saw something like this. The other link.
That one is like a TypeScript. It's like it's not the Dino format.
No, I'm just gonna drop into Entropic and then see what the Entropic says. How can I import?
Oh, are you asking Claude on a different screen?
Yeah, I'm asking Claude in a different screen, and it seems to suggest the same thing, which is this.
Yeah, problems with Dino syntax.
Oh no. Maybe I can use this, right? Is it Gen AI or generative AI?
I think Gen AI.
Gen AI. Like this? I don't know.
I think it's Google Gen I.
Ooh, okay. But it,
Ooh.
I mean, deploy was successful.
The deploy
Oh, I guess.
succeeded, but I mean, I don't know if it's like an error or.
Yeah, it's we're supposed to import the Google Gen I module instead of the Gemini client, I think.
Oh, okay.
It's
How do I initialize this then?
I think it's, instead of importing like Gemini client from that package, you're supposed to import like Google Gen I.
Yeah, Google Gen AI.
Kagaba, do you mean something like this? Can I look in the chat?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. And but instead of a client,
Wow.
yeah, correct. Yeah, let's try.
Thanks. Oh, thanks, guys. Great team. Oh, shoot. Like this? Why is it still giving me an import error? Hang on.
That'll be okay. I think it's just
Is it
I guess it's
GSR?
no. But you are able to deploy it. So just try.
No.
That's the
It's not. Wait, but that's not what I'm calling, right? Oh, no, wait. I got a response. Did I? Type error, Gemini client. Yeah, I think at this point, I should probably just look up the actual docs for it. It's probably not generate text. Yeah, what is the message?
It's models that generate content.
Oh, what? Like this? I'll check the chat stream.
No, Gemini client that models that generate content.
And this is really annoying. Hang on. Gemini client models generate
Content. Then supplying you the JSON with model and contents attributes. That's supposed to go in, the payload's supposed to go in the contents.
Yep. Second. Thanks, Kagaba.
Yeah.
Oh. I guess now is a good time to. Yeah, still to call Gemini API still. Go ahead.
Oh, what did my...
This is bad. API key expired. Why is the API key expired?
Bad request. I think maybe it's the problem of how we formatted the request.
Yeah, probably. I think it's the API key is expired, so that might be one. Oops. Sorry, I should stop sharing. We can stare at some docs for a while I
Wouldn't they give us like unauthorized error if the API was expired?
I think it should, but it doesn't. Yeah, that's a good point though. Let's find out what's going on.
I think because there's 4 or bad requests, I think maybe the problem on the data we sent in the request.
Let's take a look.
Maybe you might have sent it just on when we were supposed to send a text.
Yeah, perhaps. Let's take a look. Sorry, just 1 second. Yeah. Look at the latest error. What's going on now? There's no error at all. And I want to see what's going on. It just says it's started.
We only see the
Can you
docs
share
page
screen?
right now. Yeah, we only see the docs right now.
Sorry, yeah. This is what's happening on my end. It says the server started and then doesn't say anything else.
Can you console.log Gemini response.text? Gemini response.text. Console.log response.
Like this?
Yeah.
So I just made a request. Okay, cool. We have a response.
Oh, this, yeah. Nice.
Is there anything I can help you with? But the message doesn't successfully send. Let's see why.
It's the sender is pinned.text, right? Not pinned. In the SMS data.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good point.
Oh.
Because it's probably reverted earlier, which is, yeah, it's a little bit frustrating, this revert thing.
I'm also not sure what model is used by the Superbase AI.
I'm still getting an error. Let me see what's going on.
Oh, not token. It's using a dummy token.
Oh, where? Sorry, come again?
The Pindo request, it's not using an actual token, it's using like a...
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Thanks. Good catch, Kagaba. Yeah. No, I'm just like that.
Wait, that Vera was supposed to be there, or it is just?
Yeah, I think Vera needs to stay there.
It does, yeah.
Oh, now it fails to call Gemini API. What's going on? Maybe the key I'm using is a temp key. Let's see.
I think you have to refresh.
Now it's so. What's going on? Failed to send SMS. Indoor API key, right? I have no idea. Let's see. Indoor API key. Yes, that's probably why.
Oops. You should probably have some error logging there.
Yeah, good point. Nice. Okay. It's sent.
Okay.
Just waiting for the SMS, but now it's just sending received. Oh wait, no. Wait, it's successfully sent, I think, but I'm not getting the message.
Maybe it takes some time. Let me check the
No, I'm not getting the
console.
message.
But
Yeah,
it says
just send it over.
free messages sent. I see it on my on the dashboard.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Oh, it says on the way. So it hasn't like sent it out.
Got it. Yeah. Well,
Okay.
I guess you probably can't see, but yeah.
Nice.
Very nice.
I'll send it in the chat in case anyone else wants to try.
Oh. Okay, cool.
Part one done.
Wait, so technically, I mean, we would have everything except for the receiving the webhook part, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just got an email.
Oh, from
Yeah,
from Pinto?
Yeah. So we need to email this person. So yeah, I'll send it in the chat. But sorry, go ahead. You were saying?
Okay. I mean, we can do that after the stream, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. We can do that. For this stream, is there anything else you wanna do?
I don't know, maybe Hirwa, do you want to give a demo of Marker if you are open to doing that? Marker is a startup.
Oh. another plug.
Another plug, yes.
So we are done with the.
Depends. I mean,
with the sending and API. Now we are remaining.
Technically, we have a full. Can we go back to the Escali draw?
Yeah.
Let's see. So the receiving part, we have to wait to get a number, but we can simulate it right now. So we simulate it right now by, like, we write the text in as a webhook, and then it gets in, and then we send it to Gemini. I mean, to be fair, one thing we don't really do is, like, we haven't customized it in a way that, like, giving Gemini like a certain system prompt. We haven't done. Like, for example, prevent LLM from giving excessively long answers.
Yep.
Yeah.
And also markdowns, avoiding markdowns in SMS.
Yeah, but then we are able to send the SMS.
So we did sending and OpenAI stuff, and we are mainly receiving and feedback, I think.
Yeah, we should try other, like, I don't know. Can we do a dry? Do you think Gemini can handle Kenya Rwandan? If we try,
You can try, yeah. I mean, go for it, yeah.
then we need your help. I don't think we can.
I need your help.
Sure.
I wonder if we use and can like the system prompt needs to like we can write it in English. I guess it's fine.
Mm.
Mhm.
Oops. Does the length of the text affect like the cost of sending an SMS?
I don't think so. Yeah. Oh, SMS, I believe. Yeah.
Is there any way we can share it? Can you do an iPhone mirror?
Oh, you mean you want to share the output? That's possible, right?
Yeah.
Like join the Google stream and then we share that. Share the chat. Let me just do that now. So where's the Google link? 1 second. Just let me in.
Okay.
1 second.
Yeah. You're in.
Mm. Mm. Wait, let me go to messages before I fully broadcast.
Actually, the new Mac
So you
OS
can-
has like. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay. Let me share that. Hold on.
Yeah, you can see my screen, right? You can share that.
Yeah.
if you
Yeah.
want.
I can. Hold on. Let me share it. Yeah.
Long you might want to answer the chat questions as well. I think this one's for you. Yeah.
Oh. Oh, why did I stop making videos? Wow. So as a background, I used to vlog like 6 years ago, like really into like, and it's like every week kind of like a schedule. And I kind of stopped. I mean, I was running a startup back then and it gotten quite busy. And I just had to like kind of like set priorities. So basically I stopped vlogging and I just focused on my startup. I can still remember exactly when it was. I think we were in manufacturing and I had to go to India quite often. And whenever I'm in India and like with customers or on like manufacturing grounds, I can't run around with a vlogging camera. So there was a lot of content I couldn't make. And in the end, yeah, I think things just got really busy and then I stopped it, and since then I haven't like picked it up again. So that's why I haven't been posting any videos for like 5-6 years. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, so I guess we can trigger probably one more SMS. Then what do you want to ask?
Should we try to do a
I can, if you want, I can send it, and then you can see the response here. I tried to use that. So, Kagaba, can you try to pick up some Kinyarwandan?
Yeah.
I mean, I just tried one prompt in Kinyarwanda and it seems like Gemini is relatively good than other models I've used before in
Oh, really?
Rwanda. Not sure. Yeah.
I'm not sure. I mean, this
Hey,
is
let me
we're
try
using the
this.
Gemini Flash one, right? This is like this is like the cheapest
Let
model.
me.
Okay, let's ask like what food can it recommend, for example, if I'm hungry in Rwanda, right?
In Kigali.
Yeah.
What to eat when it rains?
Yeah.
What food does the AI recommend?
So, muraho neza, Gemini. Ni, I'm writing it. Ni ibihe
Okay.
biryo wa narya ndi i Kigali mu gihe imvura yaguye. Kagaba yanditse
Yes.
muraho neza Gemini, amazina yanjye nitwa Hirwa. Amazina yanjye ni Hirwa cyangwa reka nandike nitwa Hirwa. Hano ahita nyibaza ati ni ibihe biryo ntarya ndi i Kigali mu gihe imvura yaguye.
Yeah, so that's good. You can send it.
Okay, I sent it.
It sounds like a long message. I thought we we're just asking for what to eat when it rains.
Yeah.
I was like, right.
That's what he sent.
I just wrote like, hello Gemini. My name is Hirwa. What can I eat when I'm in Kigali when it rains?
Okay.
It's
like a translation in English.
What's going on? It's
Oh my
coming
God.
through, but the response is generated, but I'm not seeing it on the SMS.
It probably takes time. Like, let me. You can see my. Like, it will say that it's on the way. Oh, you tested it a few times? 9 messages?
I also tested it.
Maybe
Yeah. What's going on?
my second.
I mean, it's just on the way, so I think it just takes time for it to go through the network.
Yeah, but we don't have 9 messages here right now, right?
Yeah, but we didn't limit the message size, so Gemini might have given, let me list I don't know, a list in every district, or I don't know. It might give you like a list of 10 dishes and some explanation.
And this is
Yeah.
Let me see any.
maybe
Still sending.
But this is the message. It's not too long. Oh, is it sent to my number or another number?
Oh, wait.
Yeah, wait, that's it.
This one, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's the response.
That's the response, but it's not being sent. What's the number
But
you
it's
used?
sent to this one.
That's Kira.
Oh,
Did you ask
I
this?
think he sent it to
yeah.
Did you ask about live?
Yes, I did. Yeah.
Like, look, I think we definitely need a system prompt, but because it tries to like format it like a markdown. So we definitely need a system prompt to tell it's yeah.
I think it rejects the message if it's too long.
Oh, is it?
Or maybe he sent it to a different number.
Oh, can you check the error output?
Error output? There's no error.
Oh, no error output on.
Yeah, if it's sent to Hirwa's number, Hirwa should receive it, right? Hirwa, do you have anything?
Yeah.
Hey, yeah.
Oh, can you send it? No. Can you send it to Joel's number, just so we can see it on screen?
Oh, let me try sending a new prompt.
But maybe ask to make the response concise. Oh. There was the message.
I think that was my energy.
Wait, sorry. Let
nice.
me share it. I just realized the stream doesn't see it.
I asked it a simple question. Wambie ibintu narya imvura yaguye. Like just what you said in simple words, and we say, Ndabasaba imbabazi. I apologize. I did not understand your question correctly.
Oh,
But
Can you simplify it or explain it more? Not sure why it said that it didn't
but
understand
it
yet.
responds
What I said
perfect
is,
in the language.
yeah.
but
Joy.
Yeah.
I think for me, I got a good response based on what I asked. Maybe I can send it to
Yeah,
your
you can send
WhatsApp,
it, no
maybe.
problem. No, just put my number there. Like, just change the
Yeah,
data.
just
Change the. This is my number. Just change the from field to this number. Yeah. With a plus and
Oh yeah,
like this.
yeah. For me, I got. Told me one of the traditional food in here in Rwanda. Didn't know that. Like I got to go.
Oh, nice.
Let me just use your number. Yeah. Yeah. This is the message I sent in case you want to translate.
Muraho Neza Gemini.
Yes.
Nitva is like my name.
Yes.
Nitva
Yeah, I
Nava.
am. My name is.
Ni ibihe biyo naya ndi ikikali. Is Nayandi like eating? No.
No.
I
When I am.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, are you sending it right now?
Sent. It was sent.
I think it's sent it to your number again, maybe.
No, I use Joel one.
Interesting.
Or maybe you changed the to attribute that you're supposed to change the from attribute.
No, I changed the from. Actually, the 2 1 is 7878.
Is it too long? Yeah, is the message too long? Wait, hang on.
Maybe. I can check here.
But it probably takes some time.
I mean, it's a good chance that it's too long. But I'm surprised, like, it didn't throw any error if it's too long. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So what's this? Ibishimbo? Sorry, I'm like. I guess that's a type of food.
Yeah, Ibishimbo no chili.
Oh.
Right.
But it said Ibishimbo.
Oh, does it?
It's like rice and beans.
Does it have mushrooms?
No.
Okay, I'm just reading this.
Brochette.
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 Is that like bread? It's just like bread. Brochette.
Like a meat.
It's like skewered meat.
Oh. I guess because it's raining and cold, that you can eat some. Oh, chapati and
Ichai.
Chapati.
No wishes. Oh my god.
Hey, but it's actually not bad then, right? Germany's response. And this is the Flash model.
Yeah,
it's actually, I mean, it's the cheapest model.
Yeah.
So that's actually really not bad. So I
cool.
think
Yeah.
I don't think we have to do the translation thing.
Yeah.
I think no need. But we definitely need a system prompt though.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So it depends. Do you want to do it now, or you want to do it another session?
I prefer another session because I think
Okay.
three of us have a afternoon thing. Like there is a election going on.
Yeah. Cool. I mean, we can do another session if you want.
Because also that allows us time to get the number, right? Yeah.
Yes, true. And we can like test it full. And I guess for the next stream we need to figure out a way to show it. Maybe with like iPhone mirror or something like that.
Yeah.
And maybe we use cursor.
Sure.
Yeah.
Maybe even by that time we would have acquired a number to use
Yeah.
instead of just calling the webhook. Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, cool. Was fun.
Nice. Thanks,
Yeah.
everyone.
I mean, yeah, just let me know when you have time. Yeah, I think I'm away. May 23rd, I'm away for like a week. I'm going to Korea.
Oh, nice. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Gen AI.
For an art camp.
Yeah. Yeah. You mentioned it's
Yeah. Let's see.
exciting.
Okay, cool. Was fun.
Cool. Thanks, everyone. See y'all.
Okay.
Nice.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. I end the stream as well.
Bye.
Someone,
Till part 2. Huh?
Someone
Where are we?
is asking you where you're coming from.
From Rwanda, 3 of us, and Long. Are you based in Singapore?
Yeah, I'm based in Singapore.
Yes.
I do want to visit someday, but I don't know yet when.
Yeah, drop by along. It's a good time if you want to see gorilla soon, I think, after the rainy season.
I don't know, I just want to hang out in Kigali. I think the main thing just to like, I don't know, see what's happening.
You can check out the school that the guy I mentioned, Arun, he's starting, the guy who runs the Math Olympiad programs. Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Cool.
Okay, thanks everyone.
Thanks.
Let's see if we
Hope your
can
leg gets better soon.
continue another time. I will email that person. Was it Eugene or something?
No worries. Oh yeah, you can CC me as well, I guess, if you want.
Yeah. We still have like more than $14 left.
Nice.
Hundreds of SMSs.
Yeah. Oh wow, no, we actually we used up almost $1.
Wait, so fast? Oh.
Yeah, that's because we didn't limit the amount of stuff it can send, right?
Oh. Wait, so it actually is per token. Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Cool.
Thanks everyone.
Thanks everyone.
See you again.
You and the afternoon for close view. See you again soon. Yeah. No.
Bye-bye.